Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something truly exceptional to review. The Aurora AU1210MA professional-grade high-security shredder. If you're looking for the best quality shredder on the market, you're in for a treat. Let's dive right in. The Aurora AU1210MA is not your average shredder. It's designed to provide you with top-tier shredding performance, whether you're at home or in the office. First and foremost, this shredder boasts a micro-cutting mechanism, producing tiny pieces of paper that are 6 times smaller than your typical cross-cut shredder. It offers the highest level of security, a P4 rating. With a capacity to shred up to 12 sheets of paper in a single pass, this shredder means business. But that's not all it can handle. It effortlessly chews through CDs, DVDs, credit cards, staples, and even small paper clips. No need to remove those annoying staples anymore. Imagine shredding non-stop for a full 60 minutes. That's right, the Aurora AU1210MA features an impressive continuous runtime, so you can tackle even the largest shredding tasks without a hitch. Let's talk about user-friendliness. This shredder is equipped with anti-jam auto-reverse technology, which means you can say goodbye to frustrating paper jams. Plus, it operates quietly, so you won't disturb your colleagues or family members. Managing your shredded material is a breeze thanks to the 5.0-gallon pull-out bin. It also features LED indicator lights for standby, overheat, bin full, overload, and door open status, keeping you informed every step of the way. Now, let's talk size. The Aurora AU1210MA measures 14.41 inches in width, 11.02 inches in length, and 19.33 inches in height. It's compact enough to fit in your office or home space comfortably. A quick note for our international viewers, this product is designed for use in the US. If you're overseas, make sure to check compatibility before purchasing and consider the need for an adapter or converter. In summary, the Aurora AU1210MA professional-grade high-security shredder is a powerhouse of shredding efficiency. With its micro-cut technology, continuous runtime, and user-friendly features, it's undoubtedly the best quality shredder available in the market. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time.